Peacemaking is crucial in ministry leadership. It involves resolving disputes and maintaining harmony, actively working toward reconciliation. Leaders reflect the heart of Christ, promoting justice and restoration of relationships within their ministries, embodying God's will. Jesus calls peacemakers children of God, highlighting their role in pursuing peace as an identity and embodying God's character. Peace is an active process, requiring intentional actions to address conflicts, resolve disputes, and promote harmony. Leaders must seek to resolve conflicts, promoting unity, and embodying reconciliation within the body of Christ. Paul instructs us to live at peace with everyone, urging leaders to take responsibility for their actions in promoting relationships. Peacemaking requires humility as leaders set aside pride for unity, approaching conflicts with love for the community. Leaders set the example for peace by handling conflicts well and creating a culture of reconciliation in their ministries. When conflict arises, leaders should respond with grace and understanding, seeking to de-escalate tensions and guide toward resolution. Leaders facilitate reconciliation, adhering to processes that restore relationships and encourage mutual understanding among conflicting parties. Forgiveness is vital in peacemaking. Leaders encourage individuals to forgive, aligning with how the Lord forgave us. To avoid escalation, leaders should address conflicts early and create a safe space for open dialogue among parties involved. Setting ground rules for respectful communication is key to fostering a constructive dialogue, aiding in resolution before issues worsen.